do here is go back.
Okay, y'all, so let's get into the video. You're gonna need wig clips, bundles, and needle and thread. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to double the wefts. I'm going to start sewing the wefts together. And so sorry about my hair, y'all. I literally just took down a ponytail and I did not wash or do anything to my hair. It still has like all of the got to be spray on there and everything. So yeah, what I'm doing right here is I'm sewing the wefts together so it can be double and it can be thicker when I put the clips in my head. And that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of this clip. I'm going to let you guys watch it and I'm going to come back when it's the next scene. Okay, y'all, I would also like to let y'all know that it is essential that you guys sew these wefts together tight so that it won't come loose. I have been sewing things like sewing weaves, sewing extensions in for a while now, so I know how tight to put them, but just let you guys know that it can come loose. So please tie them as tight as possible. right here, y'all, only thing I'm doing is measuring the bundle from nape to nape, and I'm going to do that all the way around my head. So I'm going to do ear to ear next and just keep measuring them until I get the desired length. Good morning, y'all. I'm so sorry for the last recordings. I was halfway asleep. So now it's in the morning. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm sewing the wig clips onto the tracks, making sure they are as secure as possible. That is key to getting good clips. So right here, I am brushing out the hair, making sure nothing got tangled in with me sewing, and I am not cutting the thread because I am lazy. You can cut it and start on a new wig clip if you want to, but me, I will not. So I am sewing in the middle, and then I'm going to the next wig clip, which is on the opposite end of it. And yes, it's self-explanatory. I'm showing you guys. I'll show you guys as I go along with it. So please enjoy. I think I am done talking for the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to do a quick intervention because y'all, if y'all know a better way to apply wig clips so that they can be more secure, let me know. And I'm talking about apply them onto your hair. Please let me know. Bye, y'all. Hey YouTube. Okay, so y'all, I didn't get to record an outro or an intro to this video, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you guys for tuning in today. As you can see, I just did clip-ins, made clip-ins, DIY clip-ins, and installed them on my hair. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. The wind is blowing, so my hair is everywhere, but I hope you guys like it. And I think they came out cute. It was a struggle, y'all. Let me just let y'all know how it was a struggle to get these clip-ins styled how I want them to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter, Freckles Dior. Instagram, photos of Daisha. Follow me on Snapchat, DAYSHAAS. And also follow my business page. Thank you guys.